This video is not a paid collaboration. Hello, today I have prepared a video for you on how you can earn a few tens to hundreds of dollars a month. I've prepared 2 ways today. For both platforms you must be at least 18 years old. I'm not saying you're going to get rich and be a millionaire, but you can have a few extra tens of dollars for food or little things. I want to be completely transparent and honest. By signing up and creating an account, you're supporting me. Now let's get to the main part of why you clicked on this video. The first page is called Coinbase. All cryptocurrency fans know it very well. It's a global exchange for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You can find all the famous cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Well, how to actually get a few dollars for nothing. All you have to do is sign up through my referral link, verify your account, and top up at least $100. The last point is buying any cryptocurrency worth $100. The whole thing takes 3 minutes tops. But if you're not interested in investing and just want to earn, there's a learning rewards box on the left side. You click on it and you will be shown various rewards in the form of different cryptocurrencies. You choose a quiz and start it. If you don't want to read the different articles, just type Coinbase quiz into YouTube and all the answers to the available quizzes will come up. You can make anywhere from $15 to $40 a month using this method. The other platform on which you can earn up to hundreds of dollars is called Trading212. It's a simple, easy-to-use app in which you can trade stocks, ETFs, and so on. I personally highly recommend it myself. I use it and I'm very satisfied. Well, how to get a lot of money for almost nothing. There is a link in the description that when you sign up you get up to $100 worth of free stock. The first step you have to do is click on the link in the caption. It will open the Trading212 website. You have to fill in all the necessary information. After the first login comes the most important thing, verification. Top up at least $5 and wait for the verification. After successful deposit, click on your profile. A menu will open and a Use Promo Code tab will appear. Click on it and a typing box will open. Type Eric and confirm. In a few seconds you will receive a share up to the value of $100, no later than 2 business days. All the details will be written in the video caption. You will be written step by step how to get the money. If you liked my tutorial on how to get rich, I will be very happy if you share it to your friends who have not yet earned their up to $100. I'll be glad for the subscription, comment, and like. If you have any problems, write in the comments and I will try to help you as soon as possible. That's all for today. I thank you for watching the video until I will look forward to seeing you at the next video. Bye bye. All information contained in this video is not financial advice or a guide on how to invest.